Hi everyone, let's use these medicine case. We are making googly eyes here. So we are going to make clay balls and put all of them and paste it using double-sided tape. Cut all of them. Now we are going to press these yellow clay and make a chick family here. Similar way, we are going to paste all the eyes and beak like we are doing here. Make different expressions like this and look, your artwork is ready. Similar way, we are going to make multiple cut on the cardboard and paste all of them, make clouds and look, it's ready. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful leaf art. So paste all the dry leaves and make these trees. Now tear this paper. Now we are going to trace lines on it using the pencil. Now spread it like this. Remove the paper. Make sun as well. Draw birds and look, it's ready. We're going to use these colorful strips. Draw the tree trunk using brown marker. Now we are going to paste all the colorful strips one after another using double-sided tape. Now curl all of them and make the crown of the tree like this. And look, it is ready. Draw grass on the floor and it's done. We are going to make a beautiful scenery using this dry leaves. So paste all the leaves like we are doing here. Here we are going to make a beautiful landscape. Now we are going to make the mountain. So tear this paper and trace these beautiful colors. Similar way, we are making the lake and a boat as well. Add more details like this. Draw birds and sun on the top of it and your artwork is ready. We're going to make this beautiful scenery in a unique way. So we are going to trace lines around this leaf. Here we are using a chinal leaf. After this, we are making a beautiful scenery. We are making a house, smoke coming out of the house. We are also drawing these beautiful trees and color it like we are doing here. Draw birds and look, your artwork is ready. We're going to make a beautiful artwork using ginkgo leaves. So put all the leaves randomly and cut the extra part. Here we are going to make flowers on the top of it. So draw these flowers using pink color. Now we are making these houses on the top. Here we are making a beautiful scenery. Similar way, tear this paper and trace the mountains on the top of it. Draw birds and sun and look, it's ready. We're going to make a beautiful artwork using clay and peanut shells. So we are going to put these shells on the ground like this. After this, we're going to draw the plant using sketch pen. So make its leaves. Press all the clay like this. We're also making these yellow flowers and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.